Fuck. Yeah, g'day.
G'day.
We're in Tasmania. Yeah, g'day. So on this trip, it was mine and Mel's anniversary as well as Valentine's Day, and I've been pretty broke lately due to sort of quitting my job and trying to start my own business and whatnot. So I couldn't really do much, which, you know, she was okay with that because we get to go on this trip for 3 weeks. But what she doesn't know is that I've organised a room at Cradle Mountain Lodge as a little surprise. I talked to them, and in exchange for a couple photos with the drone and whatnot, they're going to give us a rad room, which I really couldn't afford on my own if I had to. So I'm really stoked for that. Thank you, Nina, at Cradle Mountain. We're really excited for that. And yeah, Mel doesn't know a thing, and we're about to head there now, so she'll be pretty surprised, which I'm stoked about. How good. Hello, little echidna. He's lost most of his spikes. Mel, guess all your surprises. We're staying in here.
Are we?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's actually not this shitty building that's covered in scaffold. It's a nice,
Fancy place.
fancy spot.
Oh.
There we go. Pretty chuffed with your surprise there, Melons?
Yes, I'm really staying in luxury tonight. It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Bit of an upgrade from this old thing.
Hit the spa at 6 in the sanctuary, and I don't know, there's multiple goodness happening tonight.
Bring Mel to this real fancy accommodation. She's dressed like a hobo,
I am not.
eating cold leftover curry with a knife. Stoked with your surprise.
Yes, of course I am. It's very, very flashy and fancy, and we're in the nature even more now.
And we got an extra throw in of an hour in the spa, which looks pretty badass. Yeah, the sanctuary.
Oh, cute photo.
And now we're gonna go for a walk, get some more shots. There's a sign saying don't feed the wombat. Surely you're gonna see some.
Just in the sanctuary. About to enjoy a sauna and hot tub, cool tub.
What's happening, Mel's?
Well, there's a wombat having some dinner just down from our spa bath. So the view's just got 20 times better.
Look at him just having a feed.
Alright, still man.